Jordan drops a Fab Five, Nike start the Joyride, Uptempo overdose on denim, and Kyrie gives you sandy cheeks. Let's see what's dropping this week. What's good, everybody? It's Zach Hayes here with the Weekly Drop. This week is Ernest keeps the hammers dropping, pushing through with the highly anticipated Michigan Wolverines Jordan 5. The Jordan 5 does what it does, keeping it all the way iconic and steezed out to the absolute core. Wolverine yellow and navy build the traditional nubuck upper, while the icy sole keeps those flames from getting out of hand. Switching the game up with the Jordan brand patch swapped in over the usual Jumpman and OG Air branding. The Michigan 5 will hit Foot Locker on the 10th. Nike, never not innovating, have scienced the science out of science and scienced up a new technology and technique, adding to their unstoppable tech munitions pile. Adding to their racer library, Swish Corp introduced the track-ready Nike Joyride to the population, featuring 4 pods of soft beads for a fully customized beanbag under your feet. For those on the new tech, the Joyride will be on shelves on the 15th. The honorary Pippins that are better than the actual Pippins roll out in an all-over denim getup that will have Smith Street's double denim population foaming at the mouth. The denim Uptempo stays recognizable from heel to toe, running with tonal denim panels set against the iconic Uptempo midsole. These things sell themselves to a select few out on the 10th at Foot Locker. Kyrie digs deep and pulls out a 5-piece pack of his Kyrie 5, paying homage to Bikini Bottom's finest. The Lord of Handles takes both low and mid variations of his 2018 silo and gives Spongebob, Patrick, Squidward, Mr. Krabs, and Sandy Cheeks their due, fitting like a glove with Irving's rarely subtle color schemes. For anyone that was a Nick kid, the Spongebob and Patrick joints roll out on the 10th at Nike.com. And that's not everything on shelves this week. Sign up to the Weekly Drop newsletter at theweeklydropsneakers.com for even more sneaker release info. Hit the comments with your hammers for the week, and don't forget to like the Weekly Drop on Facebook and Instagram for daily sneaker updates. Good luck out there this week. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to catch the Weekly Drop every Thursday and to stay up to date with our Weekly Drop live interview series, The GOAT Show, and more.